Libby off the couch. You're a tease, Ocelot. You're a dreadful tease. You are a dreadful tease. Yes, you are. Oh, and you're all soggy. You're all soggy. You think I'm going to save you? You think I'm going to save you? Oh, careful. Maybe that hurt. What a lug you are. Oh, this kitten is so precious, though. He is so precious, and his mama loves him so very much. So very much. An Ocelot lover. Oh no. Doggy chewing the face. Chewing the face. Oh, stole the blanket again. She's just so proud of this blanket. It's Ocelot's blanket, and you know it. You're such a goof. Don't steal my blanket. Nope. That's crossing a line. Ocelot lover. Oh no. Oh no. Ocelot lover. Ouch. Ouch. Libby. She is trying to steal my blanket. This is dreadful. Ocelot. Alright. Okay, Libby, do not jump on me. It's very rude. Are you corn on the cobbing him? Can you leave some fur on? Ocelot. Libby? Ouch! Oh, she scruffed him. Ow! Ouch! Ouch! Poor Ocelot. Ouch! Holy crap. Doesn't look worried. Libby, every time you do that, I lose my recline position. Oh, get him out of the lot. Get that dog. Ow, 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 ouch! Digging in. Oh no, and Libby goes for the throat. Gnaw, gnaw. Ouch! She grabs the fur. Libby, be careful. Oh my lord. Libby? Oh. Libby, please don't kill the cat. Oh, ow, oh, that hurt. You see? That's what you get. Somebody's gonna squeal. She's still wagging her tail. Oh, ouch. Oh. Oh, now we're going to start doing the back feet kick. And then she's in trouble. He can be worried because he's on his back. I know for a fact how hard he bites when he gets into it. Oh. If he's pulling away. I'm having way too much fun. Oh, Libby. He's about ready to call it quits. Pretty soon she's going to push the footrest down and Ocelot's going to go flying. Ocelot. Oh, serious business now. Libby, okay, you're getting a little... Oh, whoops.